students, today we are going to learn lesson number 10, things we make and do. Dear students, we know different animals. Everyone knows different animals. Do you ever observe what do animals do in their day-to-day life? They eat, sleep, walk, run and do many other activities. But did you ever see any penguin is going to office or any cat is going to school? No. Animals do not do such type of activities. Because animals do not work for earning money. They do not need money. But why human beings need money? Why there is need of money in human beings' life? Is there need? Yes, money is very important for paying bills and buying necessary things. But you think of your parents. Do they work to get money? Yes, all humans work to get money. They work to earn money. Some of the people they do jobs, some of the people do services. Let's get more information about what people do to earn money. In this lesson, we are going to learn things we make and do. Actually, we should know occupation. Occupation means the job or work people do to earn money. In simple words, they do some kinds of activities. How people choose occupation? They choose the occupation based on their interest, what they learn, and their skills. Yes. Actually, there are two types of occupation. Number one is people who do, and number two is people who make. Actually, we can understand with the help of the words only. People who do means like teachers. They teach. Doctors. We know doctors. They treat the patients. Means we can see their activities. The same way, policeman, sweeper, we can see their activities also. We know some more people do jobs or services, but some people make things. They do different activities. We can see their activities and products also. For example, farmer, what do? They dig the earth or soil, we can say, sow the seeds and get the crops. It means second type of occupation, people who make things. In that, we can think about farmers because they grow the crops on the farm. What other people make things in society like farmers? Greengrocer, isn't it? Chef, means they have their own business, isn't it? We can see their activities. Workers work at construction sites. We can see their activities on the construction site. Potters, we can see potters also. Then what is the difference between people who do and people who make? The very first difference is people who do, we can see their actions. But people who make, we can see their products. We can see the work they do in everyday life, people who do. And people who make, we can see touch the things they made. Isn't it? Then what are the examples of people who do? Teachers, doctors, sweepers, police and nurses. Examples of people who make? Farmers, potters, chefs, carpenters, factory workers, etc. Means there is difference. What did we study today? We studied people like teachers, doctors, engineers, watchmen do jobs. On the other hand, people such as carpenters, potters, painters, farmers make things and earn money. Human beings work to earn money, to get the money. Some people do jobs and some people have own business. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day to all.